Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas today, and I'm going to do a cloudy ring pour. Hopefully, I'm out of DecoArt satin enamels and I'm out of Vallejo pearl medium, and all I have left is chroma acrylic white. And sometimes this gives me some cloudy puffy effects, especially when I combine it with a metallic. So I'm hoping this is going to give me some clouds. Especially when I layer it next to this combination of leftover peridot and 24 karat gold from DecoArt. And I also have two blues to go with it. This is Amsterdam greenish blue and sky blue light with a little bit of turquoise mixed into it, using up some leftovers. So my paints are mixed to a thick consistency. They leave a mound on a mound on a mound. And actually, I think, yep, that's the perfect consistency. So I'm going to layer my cup first, and I'm going to start with a little bit of this white, and I'm going to put some of the greenish blue on top of that. And then I'm going to layer some of the sky blue light. I hope those weren't lumps coming out of that. I just mixed that up. Uh-oh. Well, we'll have to keep an eye out for them as we go. All right. Let's see here. I'm gonna put the white again. Nice, healthy layer. And then I'm gonna put some of this peridot green in. This is likely to end up on the outside edge. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the white there, kind of sandwich it between, and then I'm going to go back to my greenish blue, and we're gonna end with that. So that should be about 12 ounces of paint, and this is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, so I am going to need a base coat. So I'm going to put a nice healthy puddle. This is leftover table scrapings, and I just use it, scrape it all up off of my table and out of my leftover cups when I don't have enough to do another pour with it. And they all combine, and they've made this beautiful kind of slate gray color. What it will do is help my paints flow over the canvas, but it shouldn't be visible unless there's air bubbles that pop up. And speaking of that, I got my big torch working again. I'm very happy. So we're just gonna pop some air bubbles now. And then we're going to do our cloudy ring pour, hopefully. So this is a little off center, but I'm gonna try and use the lines created by my Erica Hughes spinner to find my center and pour more in the center. And we're just gonna do kind of a straight pour here to start. Once I see some other colors coming out, I'll start doing the ring pour. That peridot does tend to take over, which is why I only used it once. Very nice. Let's try and get a nice landing here, which is hard to do and talk at the same time. Aha! Nice. Now let's let that sit. We're gonna let this sit for, I think, probably 5 minutes. And we're just gonna let that rest and see if any boulder or cloud cells pop up. Look at that. I put peridot in there once, and look at how much green there is. And the good news is, if we let this sit for a few minutes, more air bubbles will rise so I can pop them before they become a problem when we spin this out. I am going to spin this rather than tilt it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So here we go with the wet results. I think this turned out pretty good. Except for the places where I had to dig out lumps. I think that was that turquoise blue. But I love the little bean-shaped galaxy we've got up here in the greenish blue. Those are so pretty. Little tiny galaxies. Really, really pretty. I love that. Continues on through. There's like a little asteroid belt going through this area. And you can see that green and peridot combo shining all the way out here. Oops, focus. I love that area right there. Looks like little emperor penguins. So there we have it. Something simple, just a little ring pour, but it's nice to go back to the basics. I'm glad I spun it out. It definitely adds to the kind of galactic feel for it, I think. So thank you very much for watching. Go mix up some paints and be fearless.